Welcome to Logic Hub. In this video, we are going to solve this simple math question. Mostly people can solve this question by wrong method. He can solve this question is 6 divided by 2 times 3, and then he can solve this question is 6 divided by 6, which is finally equals to 1. But guys, trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now I am going to solve this question by correct method. So guys, according to the rule of PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, firstly we can solve parentheses because parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly we can solve parentheses. 6 divided by 2 into 3, and then one thing which you can must remember, which is that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we can solve it from left to right. So 6 divided by 2 equals to 3, and then time 3, which is finally equals to 1. If you enjoy this video, then subscribe to my channel for more this type of math challenges. Thanks for watching.